What's up, guys? My name is Panda. I'm part of Hypernova Gaming, where we put on the best amateur tournaments every single month. I'm going to be showing you how to stream to any live streaming services using OBS. If you play on PlayStation or Xbox, there are links on our website, hypernovagaming.com. Under the rules section, there will be links that you can click on with videos to show you how to stream directly from your PlayStation or from your Xbox. So definitely check those out if that applies to you. But this is PC specific, and I'm going to walk you through how to start streaming on YouTube, Facebook, or Twitch. The first thing that you want to do is go over to this website. It's obsproject.com/download. This is a free software that you use to be able to stream your webcam, your gameplay, everything that you want directly to Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook. You're going to go ahead and download the installer here, go through the system, and get the program fully installed. Once you have that fully installed, you'll come across a screen like this. You probably won't have a lot of these sources or scenes loaded up at the time, which is totally fine. We don't have to worry about that. But the big thing that you want to do is you're going to go up to Tools, and then you're going to want to hit this button right here. It's grayed out for me because mine's already done, but it's Auto Configuration Wizard. What this does is it runs tests on your internet speed, the specs on your computer, and really kind of tests out what your system and internet can handle. It'll run through your bitrate, your resolution, everything like that, so that you'll be fully ready to just start streaming right away. Easy as that. Once that's all set, you just hit OK. And if you want to make sure that you're streaming to the right place, you're going to go over to Settings, go over to Stream. Here you can pick from any streaming service that you want. You can customize it if you want, but if you wanted to switch over to Twitch, you click that, connect your account, log in that way. You don't even need anything else. You just need your username and password. Once that's up and ready to go, you save it, hit apply, and there you go. You hit start streaming, bada bing, bada boom. There you go. Easy as that. We don't need anything else other than the gameplay. So if you want to add a webcam, you want to add mics, whatever, feel free to do that. But really all we need as the moderators of this tournament is your gameplay. To properly set up your microphone, you're going to go down to where it says mic here on the audio mixer, click the three dots, go to properties, and then make sure this is set up to whatever your microphone is, whether that's your headset or if you have an external microphone as well. And to make sure that the audio is being captured from your computer properly, you're going to go to the desktop audio, select properties, and then again, click on the device that you use to listen to your audio coming from your computer. And then next up, how do you capture your gameplay properly so it's showing on screen? What you want to do is go over here to Sources. You're going to click this plus button, and then you're going to hit Game Capture. Here, I already have it, so you can name it whatever you want, but I have it as a game. And here it is, and then you can scale it to size to fit your screen properly. But if nothing shows up, what you actually have to do is make sure that the game is actually running. Then you'll double click it here, and then it'll show you what is playing. So then you click on the Call of Duty, hit OK, and there you go. Now you have your full gameplay ready to go. And lastly, guys, remember to keep your VODs turned on. If you guys need help with that, there also will be a link on the website for that as well. Hopefully you guys found this video useful. Go ahead and share it with your squad mates if they want to stream as well, and we hope to see you in the tournament.